Welcome to this session on the CSTE exam overview, where we'll break down the structure, domains, and weightage of the Certified Software Tester CSTE exam so you know exactly how to prepare. The CSTE certification is one of the most recognized credentials for software testing professionals, offered by the Quality Assurance Institute, QAI. It validates your understanding of QA principles, testing practices, and industry standards. The CSTE exam is divided into START 10 domains, each covering a key competency area within software quality and testing. Here's a quick overview of the domains and their respective weightage. 1. Software testing principles and concepts 6 cent. Understand foundational testing concepts, quality principles, and the role of a software tester. 2. Building the software testing ecosystem 10%. Covers setting up test environments, tools, data, and infrastructure required for effective QA. 3. Managing the test project 12%. Focuses on planning, estimating, scheduling, risk management, and communication during test execution. 4. Test design, one of the most heavily weighted domains. Covers test case design techniques, traceability, and coverage. 5. Executing the test 12%. Deals with executing test cases, logging results, managing test data, and defect reporting. 6. Testing specialized technologies 6%. Covers mobile, web, cloud, embedded systems, and other specialized environments. 7. Maintaining the test project 6%. Focuses on maintaining test documentation, scripts, and handling test artifacts through the lifecycle. 8. Test process. Understand process improvement models like TMMI, ISO, and how QA integrates with SDLC. 9. Test tools, metrics, and measurements 10 cent. Covers the selection and usage of tools, KPIs, dashboards, and test reporting. 10. Human factors 12%. Emphasizes communication, collaboration, ethics, and team dynamics in testing. Exam format. Total duration 4.5 hours. Objective questions and constructed responses essay style. Pass mark 70%, varies per section. Tips for preparation. Focus on high weightage areas like test design, managing the test project, and human factors. Use this course as your core resource, backed by the CSTE Common Body of Knowledge. Practice answering in real exam format with time limits. Join study groups or forums for additional insight. In summary, the CSTE exam is structured around 10 key domains, each with a defined weight. Prioritize study time based on domain weight and your current strengths. Understand not just theory, but how to apply QA practices in real scenarios. Let's move ahead to final preparation tips and recap what you've learned so far.